In today's video, I'll teach you how to install Magnifying Glass application. So if you want to install and use the Magnifying Glass app, for that what you have to do is launch open Play Store or App Store on your device. Since I'm using the Android device, I'm going to open Play Store. If you're using the Apple device, open the App Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. What you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now after you do that, what you have to do is search for magnifying glass. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for magnifying glass and tap on it. Now you'll be able to install the application. You'll be able to see the rating. Also, you'll be able to see other informations regarding the app over here. So if you want to install it, tap on this option install that you can see on the screen. Wait for a while this application is being installed. You can see the ratings. Also, you'll be able to see the comments over here. Likewise, you'll be able to see other informations. Now after a while, you can see over here the application has been installed. You can tap on the option open in order to open the application and start using it. So that is how you install Magnifying Glass app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.